When is National Bird Day celebrated in India? On 5th January, option A. This day is celebrated to raise awareness of the value of tiny tweets in the ecosystem. Which of the following is a characteristic of a bird? All of these. Option D. What is the shape of a bird? It's a streamlined. Option B. Birds are the only animal group that has feathers. Option C. Which body part birds do not have? Teeth. Option D. How many limbs does a bird have? Four limbs. Option D. There is one pair of wings and one pair of legs. Which part of the body turns into feathers in birds? Forelimb. Option A. The forelimbs of birds turn into feathers which help them to fly. All of the following traits help birds fly except they have beak. Option D. Which organ do birds use for respiration? Lungs. Option A. The presence of blank saves the feathers of water birds from rotting. Oil gland. Option B. What kind of beaks do most grain eating birds have? All of these. Option D. Which of the following bird have a strong, sharp and hooked beaks? Eagles, vultures and kites. Option C. Which bird is known for building nests out of pebbles and stones? Penguins. Their nests are built on ground and they are ideal for the cold and wet Arctic. These stones help in keeping their eggs above the surface when the nesting area floods from melting snow. Which of the following bird makes a hole in the tree trunk with its beak? Option B. Woodpecker. Which bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with materials like thread and wool? The tailor bird. Option B. Which of the following bird has a strong curved beak? Option C. Parrot. Parrots' beak help them crack open nuts and seeds and scoop out the pulp of fruits. They are also called hookbills. Which of the following bird has a broad, flat beak? Duck. Option A. Birds like ducks and swans have flat, broad beaks which help them to catch insects, fishes, and plants from the water. Claws of flesh eating birds are called blank. Talons. Option D. What do the eagles eat? Flesh. Option C. Which of the following is a seed eating bird? Sparrow. Option A. A cuckoo lays its egg in blank nest. In crow's nest. Option C. Which of the following bird makes hanging nest? Weaver birds. Option B. Which of the following bird cannot fly? All of the above. Option D. Ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguins, weka, cassowary, rias, kakapo, takahe, steamer ducks. These are some birds which are flightless birds. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich. Option C. Blank is the largest and heaviest bird in the world. Ostrich. Option C. Which bird is known for its ability to fly backward? Hummingbird. Option B. Which bird is the fastest runner on land? Ostrich. Option A. Which of the following is the fastest swimming bird? It's Gantu penguins. Option C. Which of the following bird can see at night? All of these. Option D. Owls, frogmouths, and nighthawks. A group of owls is called parliament. Option D. Which of the following bird can eat only when its head is upside down? Flamingo. Option C. Which of the following bird lays the smallest egg? It's the bee hummingbird. Option A. Which of the following is the smallest bird? The bee hummingbird. Option B. Which of the following bird has the largest eyes? Ostrich. Option A. They have the largest eyes than any land animal. It measures about 2 inches in diameter, which is nearly 5 times the size of a human eye. Ostriches' eyes are even larger than their brains. Which of the following bird has the farthest eyesight? Eagles. And they have ability to see 8 times farther than humans. They can spot the prey from about 2 miles away. Which of the following bird makes the loudest sound? The white bellbird. It produces sounds up to 125.4 decibels. Which of the following bird lives on both land and water? All of these. Swans, cranes, and penguins. What is the study of birds called? It's called ornithology. Option D. Which of the following bird is the national bird of India? Peacock. Option B. Which of the following bird is the national bird of USA? It's bald eagle, option A. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.